Hey, welcome back. This video is going to focus on rounding decimals, so let's go ahead and get started. A rope is 8 276 thousandths meters long. What is the length rounded to the nearest tenth? So let's refresh our memory on place value. So I'm going to rewrite it. This is your tenths, this is the hundredths, and this is the thousandths. So what I want to do is round to the nearest tenth. So what I recommend is circling the number you're rounding to and then underline the number to the right of it. What I do want to remind you is those will go away regardless of what your answer is. So I asked my students in class, is the number to the right of the number that I'm rounding midpoint or higher? So your midpoint is 5. So my question is it 5 or greater, the number that I underlined? 7 is greater than 5. So that means you're going to add 1 to it, and then our answer would be 8 3/10. All right, for the next one, I got it from STAAR. It says, a STAAR release question, what is 2 938 thousandths rounded to the nearest hundredths? Still, 9 is in the tenth spot, 3 is in the hundredths, and then 8 is in the thousandths. We're going to write this down. Same process. Go ahead and circle what you're rounding, which would be 3. Look to the number to the right of it. Is it midpoint or higher? Meaning, is it 5 or greater? It is. So that means it ends up being 2 94 hundredths. If it was less than 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1, then the 3 would stay the same. What I notice is kids will round correctly, but they keep the numbers to the right of it. They go away regardless of your rounding answer or your rounded answer. All right, so here's the final one. I feel like this one's probably the most challenging that I saw on STAAR. A number rounded to the nearest hundred is 384 93 hundredths. The original number is greater than 384 93 hundredths. What could the number be? There is more than one possible answer. So you just need a number greater. Well, if you go add 1, it's greater, because if you were to compare using place value, 930 is less than 931. I mean, it can be 932, 933. And I'm looking at it as whole numbers and trying to think about how a kid would process it. But you are using a place value chart. And so you compare, and typically in class, we organize it like this. The 9s are equivalent. The 3s are equivalent. However, 0 is less than 1. And remember, it's just the original number is greater. So this is rounded to the nearest hundredths. If you went up, like midpoint or higher, then your rounded number would not be 93, it'd be 94. So I hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is, like I said, one answer choice. There's more than one. Thanks for watching.